So students, today we are going to start learning the websites, and for creating the websites the two basic requirements are text editor and the web browser. For making any software, any application, we need two things. One is a place where we write the programming part or the coding. Second interface, we need to see that whatever we are designing, how it looks, right? So this is how we have to do our work. So in this session I will be telling you that how we can make the web pages. For that, the coding part is to be done in the notepad, right? So you have to click on the notepad. Notepad is an application which is available in all the computers. It is an inbuilt application, right? It is inbuilt application. So we need notepad to write our programs, and the second thing we need is a browser, right? We need browser to see the content of the file, that how our web page will look like. So let's start with a text file, that is a notepad file. So I will be explaining you about the structure first of all. So this is HTML. See students, here in HTML it is completely such a language. It is not a case sensitive. Not a case sensitive means we can write the content in capital letters, we can write in small letters. It is completely acceptable. Okay, so if we are writing the small letters, no issue. We can write here in capital letters, still it is okay. It is not going to show any error. So I'm writing the basic structure. In the first line we will be writing HTML, in the second line we will be writing the head, and in the third line we will be writing the title, right? So this is a basic structure which we have to follow. So every time we need to write these commands. Suppose I am making this program 1. This is my program 1, and I am going to close this title tag. Now the second thing is, this is in HTML language we work on tags, right? So the commands which we are going to write in HTML, they are known as tags. So this is HTML. Tag means it is a command of HTML which will tell the browser that it is a HTML program. The second is a head. Head will describe the browser that this is a heading part, and the commands or the tags which we are going to start, they are to be ended also. This is a basic structure where I have written HTML in the first line, HEAD head in the second line, and title in the third line. So the HTML commands are known as HTML tags. So we will be working on HTML tags only in HTML. Okay? So whatever the commands or whatever the tags we are going to write here, we need to close them also. If I am writing here HTML, simply these are within these angle brackets. These angle brackets will specify that this is HTML tag. If I simply write here HTML, so computer is not going to understand that what this HTML is. It will take this as simple text. Okay? It is not going to consider this as a HTML command. So whatever the commands we are going to write in HTML, they are to be written in these angle brackets. And every tag which we begin, that needs to be ended. So how can we end the tag? Suppose I have written the head tag over here. Suppose if this is a title tag, the title tag which we have opened, it can be closed also. Just give me 1 minute. I have written the title tag over here, and by using this backslash, right? So this is a backslash which is given here. So this is a backslash using which I am going to close the tags. Okay? So every tag which we will begin, that has to be closed. It will specify the range. Range कैसे specify होगा कि अगर मैं बता रही हूँ कि मेरा title tag यहाँ से begin हो रहा है, मेरा this is my title tag, ये मेरा title है, और title मैं यहाँ पे close कर रही हूँ. कैसे close किया? टैग को सेम लिखा, और उसको क्लोज करने से पहले क्या लगाया, आई हैव जस्ट रिटर्न दिस फॉरवर्ड स्लैश। यहाँ बिगिन हो गया, यहाँ पे क्लोज हो गया, ठीक है। सो बिगिन हुआ, क्लोज हुआ, सो every tag has to be closed, ठीक है। so these kind of tags which are having the starting tag and ending tag, they are known as container tags. so they are known as container because they are containing something in between, right? so third is the title tag. now what we are going to do is we are going to close the heading part, that is head. So this is the heading part of all the HTML programs. It is must to write first line HTML, second line we will be writing head, and title is to be written in the third line, and head is to be written in the fourth line as closing tag, right? So you please let me, now I'm going to start now I'm going to start the body part, ठीक है। so the body part, so whatever we are going to write in the body part, that will be shown in the program only. यहाँ पर जितना भी पार्ट मैंने हेड में लिखा है उससे कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ेगा प्रोग्राम को, लेकिन दीज आर द इम्पॉर्टेंट कमांड्स जो हमें लिखनी है। लेकिन बॉडी टैग के अंदर मैं जो भी लिखने जा रही हूँ दैट विल बी डिस्प्लेड ऑन द वेब पेज, ठीक है। सपोज दिस इज माई बॉडी टैग and I need to close the body also, and क्या क्या क्लोज हो गया देखिए, यहाँ पे HTML को भी क्लोज कर देते हैं कि देखिए दिस इज माई HTML फर्स्ट लाइन, आई हैव क्लोज। HTML को बिगिन में लिखना है, उसको क्लोज सबसे लास्ट में करना है, सबसे लास्ट में। सेकेंड है हमारा हेड टेक्स्ट स्टार्ट हुआ, हेड क्लोज हो गया, दिस इज अ हेडिंग पार्ट, दीज 4 लाइन्स आर योर हेडिंग पार्ट, राइट। सो सेकेंड में आपने थर्ड में आपने टाइटल लिखा, टाइटल को क्लोज किया, कैसे क्लोज किया, बाय यूजिंग दिस फॉरवर्ड स्लैश, सेम कमांड और सेम टैग इज टू बी रिटन बट अलॉन्ग विद दिस फॉरवर्ड स्लैश। बॉडी स्टार्ट किया, बॉडी को क्लोज कर दिया। होना क्या है, सो वट एवर वी आर गोइंग टू राइट इन दिस बॉडी पार्ट, यहाँ पर जितना भी कुछ भी हम लिखेंगे ओनली दैट विल बी डिस्प्लेड, और सारी डिजाइनिंग एवरीथिंग ऑल द कमांड्स आर टू बी रिटन इन द बॉडी पार्ट। Now I am going to write a simple command. This is computer class. I am learning how to make web pages, ठीक है। So this is a simple line I have written. Now see what will happen. The next step is after writing the program, the second step is to save the program. So how we are going to save? We have to click on the file, click on save, save as. First of all, the first program is to be saved using the save as. You can save the program on the desktop. Now very important thing is how you are going to save it. You will write the file name here. Suppose this is my file 1, or you can write the program 1. So after that you have to write this dot and then HTML. HTML is also to be written. Without writing the HTML, your program will remain as a text work, ठीक है। अगर हमें इसे वेब पेज बनाना है विदाउट एडिंग डॉट HTML इन योर फाइल एक्सटेंशन, योर प्रोग्राम इज नॉट गोइंग टू बिकम अ वेब पेज, वो वेब पेज बनेगा ही नहीं, ठीक है। इट विल रिमेन अ सिंपल टेक्स्ट फाइल। नाउ आई हैव टू क्लिक ऑन द सेव, वेयर वी आर गोइंग टू सेव ऑन द डेस्कटॉप. I have mentioned the file name, I have also added the dot, I have written the extension as well. Now I am going to click on save. Let's see, minimize the file. So this file 1 is here. So now I am going to click on. As you can see, so the program 1 is here. Where did I write the program 1? It was written in the title part. टाइटल में लिखा था मैंने प्रोग्राम 1, एंड फर्स्ट लाइन बॉडी में लिखा था दिस इज कंप्यूटर क्लास, आई एम लर्निंग हाउ टू मेक वेब पेजेस. So this was a single line which I had written in my program. So whatever I'm going to write in the body part, right, so only that will be shown to us. जो भी हम उसमें लिखेंगे, body part में लिखेंगे, only that can be seen over here. So simple, this is a simple first program. So I hope you are getting my point. Now this was my first program. ठीक है? So now you please understand the saving is also clear to you. You have come to know that how we can see our web page on the browser. So next, now let's understand the very first tag, which is a P tag. P means a paragraph tag, right? Suppose P means a paragraph. ठीक है? I am writing P tag over here. P tag. ठीक है? Now the thing is, whatever the tag we are going to begin, that has to be ended also. So I am taking my mouse pointer at the last, and now I am closing this P tag, that is a paragraph tag. ठीक है? How I am going to close? I am going to write the same command, same tag, but additionally we have to add this forward slash only. ठीक है? So forward slash को add किया, so this is the P tag. Now there are certain many things which we can add in this. Now if we want to add something extra on this, ठीक है? So paragraph is okay, means whatever we are going to write after this P tag, that will be shown to us in a form of paragraph. We can write one word, we can write one line, we can write many lines, 10, 20, 50 complete paragraph. It is completely on us. ठीक है? It depends on us that how we write and how many lines we are going to write. Now if we talk about the paragraph tag, it is having its additional feature. What is the additional feature? That we can set the line or the paragraph in any of the side. For that I am going to write the attribute align. Attribute. ठीक है? So attribute means the additional feature. We can align this paragraph. Try to understand. We can align this paragraph here, where we can align it towards the right side. Okay, and if I write the same line in the next line, so here first line should be aligned right. The second line, if I write in the center, C-E-N-T-E-R, you will write center. If you will write C-E-N-T-R-E, it will not work better. Okay, so please do write C-E-N-T-E-R. The next is the left. So what will happen? I'm going to click on the file, click on save only. No need to click on save as. Now the file one is here. Click on this. See what happens. All these lines have been aligned as per the criteria, as per my commands. Now I have minimized this, as you can see. So if I open my notepad file, so what was the command? What was the command we had written? So my command was paragraph align equals to right. So the content has been aligned towards the right side. So paragraph align center, the content has been aligned in the center, as you can see. So P align, paragraph alignment is left, so it will begin my paragraph from the left hand side. So this is how we can align the text in left, right and center. Next is the body tag. Body tag, right? How we are going to use and what are the different attributes which we can add in the body part, right? So here in attributes of the body, this is simply body part, right? What we can give is BG color. If we want to add the background color, so what we can do is we can use BG color to my web page, right? So BG color में U नहीं आएगा. Make sure that you don't use U here. U नहीं आना चाहिए. Otherwise it will not work. So COLOR is to be written. Suppose I am writing here in double quote pink. Okay. So this is my first command. Let's see what happens. click file and save. Right now I am going to keep it on a side. This is my page. Click on this and press F5. So this is the output. As I have settled body BG color equals to pink, so the page of my background color of my web page has become pink now because I have specified pink over here. Suppose I want to specify text color, so text equals to, suppose I want to specify here green, डबल कोट्स. बेटा ये ध्यान रखना है आपने कि डबल कोट्स जो है ना, डबल कोट्स, दिस इज वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. अगर आप ये सिंगल कोट्स में लगाओगे तो ये वर्क नहीं करेगा. आपने देखो कहाँ लिखा, बॉडी है, बॉडी यहाँ से स्टार्ट हो रहा है, दिस इज एंगल ब्रैकेट एंड दिस इज अ क्लोजिंग ब्रैकेट. सो वट एवर द एडिशनल कमांड्स यू आर गोइंग टू राइट हियर, दैट विल बी अप्लाइड ऑन दिस ओनली. ठीक है. So this is your BG color we have given. Let's see what happens. Click on the file, save. Now click on this and press F5. So as you can see, the color has become green now. So I want to explain you one important thing, that what do you mean by the attribute. For that I will be taking the paint. So I am going to select, or let's see, I am taking a screenshot of it. ठीक है. So please try to understand what do you mean by the, see this is a body tag. If I simply write this is body, instead of this I think it's better if I take this in paint. I will explain this here. With the help of this pencil, I can explain you. So what will happen, beta? See, this is an angle bracket which is beginning. This is a closing bracket. So this the tag. This is the tag. ये क्या है? हमारा tag है. ठीक है. So what we are going to write? This is the tag. कौन सा tag है? This is a body tag. If we talk about this particular BG color, ठीक है. If I talk about this particular BG color and this text, ठीक है. So what are these? This BG color, क्या है ये BG color? This is my attribute. This text is my attribute. Both of them are attributes. Attributes means additional फीचर्स. ठीक है. एडिशनल फीचर्स हैं. किसके एडिशनल फीचर हैं? ये बॉडी टैग के, क्योंकि बॉडी टैग के साथ एसोसिएटेड है. दैट्स व्हाई दीज आर दी एट्रीब्यूट्स. और पिंक एंड ग्रीन क्या है? व्हाट आर दीज पिंक एंड ग्रीन्स? सो दिस पिंक and this green, they are values, right? So they are the values, VALUES, values. And this double quotes are very very important. यहाँ से एंगल ब्रैकेट स्टार्ट हुआ, बॉडी लिखा, स्पेस दिया, बीजी कलर लिखा, इक्वल्स टू के बाद अगर आप ये डबल कोट्स यूज़ नहीं करोगे, सो योर कमांड ये पिंक कलर वो एक्सेप्ट ही नहीं करेगा. क्लोज भी करना है और बिगिन भी करना है, सिंगल भी नहीं लगाना है. तो शिफ्ट के साथ जो डबल कोट्स आते हैं, विच आर एग्जैक्टली the next key to the enter key के साथ जो left key है, that you are going to press along with the shift key, only then they are going to work. Okay, so